So this is an outline of the study guide that's required for the first test in the eSecurity module. So our focus is on cryptography, and we're covering the first 4 weeks of the module with a particular focus on symmetric key and hashing, public key exchange and digital certificates, and cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Okay, so you should find the study guide here and also on Moodle. Those are the 4 units that we're studying. The first week was some fundamentals, which can lead on to the other ones, but the main questions will come from the material from weeks 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so there'll be 3 questions in the exam, and you'll have an hour and a half to complete all of them. So it's about 30 minutes per question, so make sure you pace yourself through these questions. So each question will then split into sub-questions related to the main topics, which are these. Okay, so each question will have 20 marks. It's an open book test, and really you need to be reasoning through the answer. So what we have is a number of sample questions for you to complete. So this should inform your studying. Okay, so if you can get some outline answers for these, that's the 3 main areas that we're looking at. There's also some outline outcomes that you might want to check against. But you'll find that the PDF of these questions is available here. Okay, so that gives you an outline of the level of questions that might be required, but obviously we won't be using the same questions in the test. So just try and see if you can answer these questions. If you have any particular questions about any of the areas, then please ask. So along with that, we have an exam paper from last year. So last year wasn't an open book test, so the questions will probably be a little bit different. And it was these 4 here. Okay, so there was a total of 5 questions last year. It had a shorter time to complete it. So the questions this year won't be quite the same and the same type of format, but it gives you a good idea of what you might be faced with. Okay, so that's the test that's coming up. Okay, the test is in week 9. Thank you.